Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn about Kahoot. What is Kahoot? It is a free web-based tool that can be used to create educational games, quizzes, and many more. A short introduction regarding Kahoot. It was founded in 2012 by John Brand, Jamie Brooker, and Martin Verswick. It is basically designed for social learning. It can be played through different web browsers and mobile devices through its web interface. Kahoot can be used many places like Kahoot in school. A teacher can engage students in fun activities and assessment activities. At work also, it can be used for training, learning, and to make your presentation interactive. Kahoot can be used at home also. There are various games available for the family and it is fun to play within a family. Kahoot games. It is a free web-based tool that can be used to create educational game quizzes and more. Students can play these games using their personal devices like cell phones, iPads, or laptops, either in a group setting or individually. It is a game-based learning platform that makes it easy to create, share, and play learning games or quizzes in minutes. So, let us explore the Kahoot website and learn how to create a quiz in Kahoot. Go to Google's URL bar and type kahoot.com and you will land on this page. This is home page of Kahoot. Here at top right corner you will find one green sign up tab. If you have already an account, you can log in through this tab or you can sign up. There is one option, more option, that is sign up for free. Since we are talking about free tools for online learning, so we should go for it and we can click it and we can sign in for free. Here in next page it will ask you to the type of account you want to create. So you are a teacher. If you are a teacher, then you can click for this teacher account or student account or professional or personal. Suppose we click here, then it will ask you the level or workplace: school, higher education, school administration, business, or other. So you can click according to your type of workplace. Then you can sign up with your email ID directly. Type your email ID here, then password, and then you can sign up. Or if you wish to sign up with Google account or with Microsoft account, you can sign up from these accounts. Since I already have an account, so I will log in with my account. Once logged in, you will find yourself on this page. Here you will find information regarding paid plan, but we want basic free plan. So we can say thanks, maybe later. Now it will take us to the profile page. Here you can see my name is reflecting here, and you will find some important tabs here, top right corner, as share and create. First we need to create a Kahoot quiz and then only we can share it now. So we can create a quiz from here, a new Kahoot. Either we can directly start creating a new Kahoot, or we can take help of the templates. Here in templates you can see one icon is there, orange icon. It shows that this is a premium plan. This is not available in our basic version, so it will not be available here for us to work. So this template without any icon is available, and this one also, but suppose I want to create my new Kahoot without any template, then I can click here. In free account or in the basic account, only two types of quizzes are available. Two types of questions are available in quizzes, that is one multiple choice and other one is true false. So here by default it is giving multiple choice question, so we can click here directly and we can start typing our question. Once typing the question and all the options, you can you can mark a tick on the correct answer. After completing one question, you can add question. It will ask you what type of question you want to add, either quiz or true false. Only these options are available for the basic plan, as I told you. There's all these others are marked with this sign, so these are for premium plans. So next we have an option that we can go for a true false question. Once typing the question, you can click on the correct answer, like it is true though, so we will click here. Like this you can add some more questions, quiz, true false. Like say for example one more question I would like to add, where I would like to add an image. Then you can either fetch an image from the Kahoot library, or you can upload an image, or you can even give YouTube link. Then after that, similar way you can type all these answer and you can give the correct option. After completing your quiz, you can say done. Now I can show you one Kahoot created by me, that is on Research Basics, and it's a very short Kahoot, a quiz. Only 5 questions are there. Here how it looks. Question number 1, that is what does the following picture denote, and after that one picture is given. Like this, the right answer will be here. After doing this, anytime we can share it. Share, how to share? After clicking share, we can copy the link and we can share it through WhatsApp, or if we are on an online platform like Zoom or Microsoft Teams or GoBrunch, etc., then through chat also we can share, and online game can be played. And it will be always saved on your library of Kahoot. As and when required, you can fetch it and you can edit it, and again you can share it with the respondents, with your students, so that they can play this quiz online. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching.